Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Confirm battery above 20% and remove any case that might press buttons. Press and hold the power key until the shutdown menu appears. This is the first actionable step. Once the menu shows, tap Restart or Power Off, then press and hold power again to boot. You do this because safe mode often resets after a full, clean reboot rather than a quick restart. Make sure to note whether the safe mode label appears at boot. That tells you if the phone stayed in safe mode. Once booted, unlock and immediately swipe down to open notifications and quick settings. Safe mode often shows an exit notification there. Tap the notification labeled Safe Mode or select the three-dot menu and choose Exit Safe Mode. This sends the command to re-enable third-party apps. If there's no notification, press and hold power, use Restart, and watch the boot text. The absence of the Safe Mode tag indicates success. You do this because notifications are the quickest, built-in exit path for ColorOS devices. Finish by testing apps. Open a third-party app to confirm full mode. If safe mode persists, reboot into normal mode and uninstall the most recently installed or updated apps. One of them likely forced safe mode. Make sure to update ColorOS via Settings About Phone to fix persistent issues. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode purposely, uninstall suspicious apps, then reboot normally to verify the problem is solved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.